So today we are going to learn about the hybridization. Okay, what is the meaning of hybridization? So in general meaning mixing है, but here आज we are studying about the bonding, chemical bonding के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. So what is the hybridization in chemical in bonding? Okay, especially in bonding. So the bonding that is taking place, that is the mixing of valence orbitals. Okay, so till now the valence bond theory we have already explained. Okay, हमने already valence bond theory पढ़ा हुआ है. Okay, so this valence bonds theory explained well formation of the covalent bond. Okay, so valence bond with the help of valence bond theory we have already studied how formation of valence bond theory. Okay, so with the help of valence bond theory how formation of a covalent bond. Okay, covalent bond कैसे form होता है वो हम लोगों ने देखा. Okay, so what are the conditions that are required for the covalent bond, that also we have studied. So as per valence bond theory, and this valence bond theory explain well formation of the covalent bond by overlap of of the orbitals. Okay, हमने क्या बोला कि half filled orbitals क्या होते हैं? Half filled orbitals, yes, they get overlap. Half filled orbitals they get overlap. Okay, overlapping होता है. This overlapping unpaired electrons. Okay, unpaired electrons बोल सकते हैं हम लोग इसको. So this is by overlap of orbitals in case of simple molecules. Okay, like H2, F2, HF, ये देखा हम लोगों ने. So accordingly, the maximum number of covalent bonds which an atom can form equals the number of unpaired electrons. जैसे मैंने अभी बोला. Okay, तो it is जो bond जो form होते हैं, covalent bond जो form होते हैं, okay, it is due to what? Unpaired electron. How many unpaired electrons are present? कितने unpaired electrons present है उस that decide how many number of the covalent bond will be formed. Okay, that is what we have studied in case of valence bond theory में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा हुआ है. Okay, so the theory does not explain how beryllium forms two covalent bonds, how boron shows a trivalency, carbon shows a tetravalency. Okay, हमें पता है that beryl if we look into the configuration, electronic configuration, okay, of beryllium, boron and carbon. Okay, yes, beryllium 1s2 and 2s2. Okay, is the configuration. Boron, that is 1s2 2s2 and 2p1. Okay, 2p क्या है यहाँ पे 1 है. So 2 2 1, that is 5. So 2p1. And in case of the carbon, okay, in case of the carbon 1s2 2s2. Okay, atomic number कार्बन का 6 है. So 2s2. अभी देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा 2px1. ओके, x ऑर्बिटल 2px ऑर्बिटल में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन चला जाएगा और दूसरा जो इलेक्ट्रॉन रहेगा वो कहाँ पे चला जाएगा y में चला जाएगा. ओके, सो इन दिस वे 2p y लिखना चाहिए यहाँ पे एक्चुअली 1. ओके, so this is the electronic configuration of beryllium, boron and carbon. So in order to explain the observed valency in these and such other compounds, a concept of hybridization was put forward. Now what is hybridization? Okay, हमने बोला है कि hybridization. Yes, hybridization. What is the meaning of hybridization? So hybridization, it was suggested that one electron in this 2s orbital is promoted to the empty p orbital. Okay, so what is that? Hybridization means what? One electron in its excited state. Okay, so excited state में क्या हो जाएगा? ये जो ये दिखाई दे रहा है आप लोगों को, वन इलेक्ट्रॉन, अगर if you are considering the example of the boron here. Okay, so if we are considering the example of boron में देखो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है उसका, that is 1s2 2s2 2p1. Okay, this is the electronic configuration of the boron. So right now what will happen here, one of the electron in excited state, okay, that in excited state, ये बोरॉन में से एक जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है, okay, that will one electron will jump into the p orbital, p orbital में jump करेगा, okay. So it was suggested that the one electron in 2s orbital is promoted to the empty 2p orbital, and thus in the excited state beryllium, boron and carbon, they will have the electronic configuration. अगर हम लोग देखिए इसका, okay, so in excited state, okay, electronic configuration in excited state. So this is general electronic configuration, यहाँ पे लिखता मैं electronic configuration. So this is electronic configuration, electronic configuration. Now the electronic configuration in excited state, okay, so in short I will write down is in excited state, excited state. So electronic configuration in excited state for beryllium, okay, for beryllium, so they here will indicate with the help of the diagram. Here 1s orbital, okay, here suppose 2s orbital, ओके अभी देखो यहाँ पे 2s ऑर्बिटल बराबर है, और यहाँ पे सपोज 2p ऑर्बिटल, ओके, सो ये लाइक दिस, ओके. सो नाउ लुक एट दिस, एज पर दिस beryllium, okay, beryllium is having how many total electrons? Total 4 electrons, okay, total 4 electrons. So 2 in 1s orbit and the next is 2s orbit, like this. But as per the concept of hybridization, what will happen? One of the electron, okay, one of the electron from its 2s orbit, okay, from which orbital? 2s orbital. 2s orbital में से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ पे जंप करेगा? नेक्स्ट वाले एनर्जी लेवल में, बराबर है. जंप कहाँ पे करेगा कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन? उसके जो नेक्स्ट एनर्जी लेवल है, तो नेक्स्ट एनर्जी लेवल कौन सा है फिर? नेक्स्ट एनर्जी लेवल इज 2p, बराबर. 2p is the energy level और 2p is the orbital. So in this way ये इलेक्ट्रॉन ये जंप करेगा, यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जाएगा, और ये देखो in this way this is called as the excited state, electronic configuration, the excited state. Okay, electronic configuration in the excited state. Same you can draw excited state or electronic configuration in excited state for the boron also. Okay, boron के लिए जो हम लोग निकालते हैं. Okay, so right now boron is having how many total electrons? 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5 electrons. Okay, so we'll draw here first. Okay, so 1s. Okay, so like this suppose, and yes, like this, okay, initially suppose like this, okay. So look at here, this is 1s orbit, this is a 2s orbit, and this is 2p orbit. So what you are observing right now here, total there are 5 electrons are present right now, but this is not showing, this is not indicating the excited state, electronic configuration in excited state for the boron. So what will happen right now? One as per the hybridization concept, as per the excited state, okay, one of the electron from s orbital will jump into p orbital. तो देखो ये कहाँ पे चला जाएगा? दूसरे इसमें चला जाएगा, बराबर है. तो ये देखो ये यहाँ से 2s में से ये यहाँ पे एलिमिनेट हो गया और ये चला गया. So in this way it will form the excited state. Same we can draw for the carbon के लिए भी हम लोग draw कर सकते हैं हम लोग, likewise. Okay, so 1s, so this is 1s, 2 electrons, 2s, 2 electrons, okay, and here like this, yes, 1, total 6 electrons are present, okay. So yes, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 in this way, okay, for 2p orbital, okay, 2p orbital in case of carbon. So as per in excited state, one the electron from this 2s orbital, okay, electron from this 2s orbital will jump into the next energy level, that is p orbital, and in this way all these 3 electronic configuration respectively for, that is for beryllium, boron and carbon, these are representing the electronic configuration in their excited state. Excited state में वो show कर रहे हैं. तो क्या हो? What difference you are observing? What difference you are observing? So one electron from the its 2s orbital has jumped into the next energy level. Okay. So in this way, this is called as the we can say electronic configuration in the excited state. Okay, इसको बोला जाता है electronic configuration in the excited state. Okay. So now this, as per this, so in excited state, beryllium, boron and carbon have 2, 3 and 4 half filled orbitals. अभी देखो यहाँ पे, look here, in case of beryllium, how many half filled orbitals are present right now? So here one orbit half filled, and here it is a two half filled. Okay, so for beryllium right now two half filled orbitals are present. चेक फॉर बोरॉन राइट नाउ, बोर्ड पे चेक करो, ये देखो, ये एक हो गया हाफ फील्ड ऑर्बिटल, ये एक हो गया दूसरा, और ये एक हो गया तीसरा हाफ फील्ड. हाउ मेनी हाफ फील्ड ऑर्बिटल्स आर प्रेजेंट इन केस ऑफ बोरॉन? So three half filled orbitals are present, and in case of carbon right now here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this way, in case of beryllium, in excited state, 2 half filled orbitals are present. In case of boron, 3. In case of carbon, 4 half filled orbitals are present, okay, respectively. Okay, so beryllium, boron and carbon can form 2, 3 and 4 bonds respectively. Okay, so that's why beryllium will form 2 bonds, boron will form 3 bonds, and carbon will form a 4 bond. Okay, so in this 4 bonds, CH4 example. Okay, अगर देखें हम लोग example CH4. Okay, so that's why carbon will form the 4 bonds. Okay, so this concept helps to understand how this beryllium form 2 bonds, whereas boron and carbon form 3 and 4 bonds respectively. But okay, if from this concept we are understanding that yes, it is forming how many bonds, but this will not give the answer of the question. The question is, it cannot explain how all bonds have same bond length. बराबर है? अगर हम लोग bond length की बात करें, okay, if we talk about bond length, okay, तो ये 2 फॉर्म करेगा, ये 3 बॉन्ड फॉर्म करेगा, 4 बॉन्ड फॉर्म करेगा. But what about, okay, so यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ बेरिलियम. ओके, तो ये देखो, ये 2 बॉन्ड फॉर्म कर लिया सपोज बेरिलियम ने, तो ये बॉन्ड जो फॉर्म कर रहा है, ओके, इन्हीं एलिमेंट्स के साथ सपोज, ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट हियर व्हिच एलिमेंट. तो ये देखो, कोई भी एलिमेंट है यहाँ पे और कोई भी एक एलिमेंट है यहाँ पे, तो 2 बॉन्ड कर रहा है ये बेरिलियम. ओके, बोरॉन इज फॉर्मिंग सपोज 3 बॉन्ड. चलो, एक ये वाला है और एक ये वाला, सपोज बोरॉन एंड excuse me, and carbon, suppose ये 1, 2, 3 and 4 bonds are formed. So the question that is, it cannot explain how all bonds have same bond length and bond strength. Okay, तो उसमें जो बॉन्ड की जो स्ट्रेंथ है, बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथ एंड बॉन्ड की जो लेंथ वो सेम कैसे है, बराबर है. दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन. ओके, so respectively, but it can explain how all bonds have same bond length and bond strength. So for example BeF2 example लेते हैं. चलो अभी हम लोग we'll take the example of BeF2. okay, so we'll take the example of BeF2. तो जैसे हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे बोला भी, okay, that beryllium it will form a 2 bond. okay, ये देखो यहाँ पे अभी जैसे हम लोगों ने लिखा हुआ है, so beryllium will form 2 bonds. okay, 2 bonds. So the example, for example BeF2. okay, तो ये देखो BeF2, एक यहाँ पे फ्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल आएगा यहाँ पे, ओके, एंड यहाँ पे एक दूसरा फ्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल आ गया. ओके, इन केस ऑफ BeF2, so बेरिलियम विल यूज 1s ऑर्बिटल. ओके, तो देखो बेरिलियम क्या करेगा, ये अपना 1s ऑर्बिटल यानी एक s ऑर्बिटल यूज करेगा, और दूसरा जो p ऑर्बिटल है, दोनों भी हाफ फील्ड ऑर्बिटल है, दैट विल बी यूज्ड. ओके, विल यूज s and 1 half filled p orbitals to overlap with 2 half filled p orbitals on fluorine. okay, तो यहाँ पे देखो, 1 half filled s and 1 half filled p orbitals, okay, we get overlapped with the p orbitals, okay, p orbitals of this fluorine. So in a molecule there will be one sp bond and one pp bond. तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, एक sp bond फॉर्म होगा, okay, because of beryllium में s half filled orbital है. okay, this is half filled orbital and this is p half filled orbital, so that's why s p orbital and s और p में bond form होगा, और दूसरा जो bond form होगा वो क्या होगा, pp में bond form होगा. okay, so in this way one sp and one pp bond will be formed. okay, so which will not be of equal strength. Okay, देखो यार, एक sp बॉन्ड हुआ और दूसरा pp बॉन्ड फॉर्म हुआ यहाँ पे. So this which will not be of equal strength. Okay, तो ये इक्वल स्ट्रेंथ का नहीं रहेगा. बराबर, चेक कर सकते हो इक्वल स्ट्रेंथ का रह सकता है क्या दोनों बॉन्ड, क्योंकि अलग अलग बॉन्ड है ना ये वाले दोनों भी बॉन्ड क्या अलग अलग है. एक है sp बॉन्ड और दूसरा है pp बॉन्ड. ओके, हमें पता है क्या होता है. तो ओके, इन दिस वे वन इज फॉर्मिंग सिग्मा वन इज फॉर्मिंग पाई बॉन्ड. तो उनमें जो स्ट्रेंथ इक्वल रहेगी क्या, सो दे विल नॉट हैव द इक्वल स्ट्रेंथ. सो but actually both these bonds are of the same strength. Okay, अभी ये similar strength आता कहाँ से है. Okay, so that similar strength is coming from this concept called as the hybridization. Okay, so the similar situation is seen in case of BF3. Okay, same situation that is occur in case of BF3 है, that also occur in case of BH3, that also occur in case of CH4. Okay, so CH4 or CCl4. So in CH4, all bonds are of equal strength. Okay. So now if we are talking about CH4, okay. So methane की अगर बात करें, okay. If we are talking about CH4, yes. If we talk about CH4, okay. So हाइड्रोजन वन बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. बराबर है, हाइड्रोजन ओनली वन बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. कौन सा ऑर्बिटल रहेगा, यस ऑर्बिटल रहेगा हाइड्रोजन. बराबर. In case of carbon, अभी देखा अभी लिखा है हम लोग. Okay, it can form how many bonds? Carbon 4 bonds. It can form 4 bonds. Okay, so 4 bonds कैसे फॉर्म कर रहा है, उसमें वन हाफ फील्ड यस ऑर्बिटल है. ओके, और उसमें 3 हाफ फील्ड पी ऑर्बिटल से और वन हाफ फील्ड यस ऑर्बिटल है उसमें. बराबर है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट कैन गेट ओवरलैप विथ हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन में कौन सा रहेगा फिर बैलेंस ऑर्बिट, कौन सा रहेगा, यस ऑर्बिट रहेगा. बराबर है. तो देखो कितने 4 यस ऑर्बिट रहेंगे सपोज, बिकॉज देयर आर 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम सपोज, so that will get merged with these 4 number of half filled orbitals. okay, दिखा है सब लोगों को, यहाँ पे 3 लिखा है मैंने. so 2p half orbital से देखो यहाँ पे वन ओनली वन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर प्रेजेंट हियर, and here only one electron is present. So only one electron present in that orbit, इसका मीनिंग ये होता है that it is a half filled orbital. Okay, so total how many half filled orbitals are there? Total 4 half filled orbitals are present in case of the carbon. Okay, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ. And hydrogen का सिंपल है, हाइड्रोजन इज हैव ओनली वन बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. उसका जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो ऐसा है. बराबर. So like this. So what is that? 1s orbital. तो ये भी हाफ फील्ड ही है ना. In case of hydrogen, this 1s orbital is a half filled orbital. Okay. So उसके अगर 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम से, 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम है सपोज, 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम से, so we can call that the 4 half filled orbital of s will get merged into, yes, 4 half filled orbitals of this carbon atom. Okay, so in this way in CH4 all bonds are of equal strength, although the overlap are between. Okay, देखो ओवरलैप देखो किसमें हो रहा है, कार्बन में कौन सा है हाफ फील्ड ऑर्बिटल, वन हाफ फील्ड ऑर्बिटल. बाकी कौन सा है, एक है px, दूसरा है py और तीसरा क्या है pz ऑर्बिटल. तीनों भी हाफ फील्ड ऑर्बिटल से. ओके, तीनों भी क्या है हाफ फील्ड ऑर्बिटल से. सो द ओवरलैप हो रहा है वो कहाँ पे हो रहा है, एस में हो रहा है. बराबर है, px में हो रहा है, py एंड pz ऑर्बिटल में हो रहा है. ओके, सो दिस ओवरलैप आर taking place in case of CH4 molecule in between S, Px, Py and Pz orbitals. Okay, so of carbon, okay, of carbon atom, and that is getting overlap with the s orbital, hydrogen, s orbital of hydrogen जो मैंने भी यहाँ पे लिखा है. Okay, so this is overlap that is taking place between s, px, py, pz of the carbon atom, जो आपको यहाँ पे समझ में आ जाएगा easily. Okay, so देखो यहाँ पे 2s half filled orbital है. Okay, so how you can represent it, that is s half filled orbital here, px, py and pz. Okay, all these three are half filled orbitals for the carbon atom. And for hydrogen, only one valence electron, कौन सा ऑर्बिट में, यस ऑर्बिट में आएगा, means it is a 4 half filled yes orbitals will get merged with these 4 orbits. Okay, so in this way they will form a bond. Okay, so experimentally all CH bond length, bond strength and bond angles are found to be identical. Okay, So experimentally if we check, okay, experimentally if we check, so all bonds, okay, all bonds, okay, all bonds, whatever it will be found between CH4 molecule, CH4 molecule, ये कार्बन रहेगा, okay, ये सपोज हाइड्रोजन रहेगा, ये सपोज हाइड्रोजन रहेगा, सपोज हाइड्रोजन एंड सपोज हाइड्रोजन, सपोज, ओके, तो इनमें जो बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथ है, ओके, so four covalent bonds are formed between carbon and hydrogen. So these four bonds will be of equal strength and equal length. Okay, equal strength के रहेंगे and equal length के भी रहेंगे. Okay, so bond length, bond strength and bond angle are found identical. So I will write here bond strength will be found identical, then bond length will be found identical, and another is a bond angle which will be found identical. Okay, समझ में? So bond strength भी same रहेगा, bond का length भी same रहेगा, okay, चारों में, bond का angle भी चारों में क्या रहेगा, same रहेगा. Okay, so this can explained using another concept that is called as the hybridization. Okay, तो कैसे same रहेगा? So that is what the with the help of this concept called as the hybridization. Okay, called as the hybridization. Okay, so this with the help of the concept of the hybridization, this will have same bond length, same bond angle, same bond strength. Okay, so in the valence bond theory, we have already studied. This can be explained using another concept, hybridization in the valence bond theory. This concept helps to explain the observed structural properties of many molecules. So now, what is hybridization? Okay, what is hybridization? So this hybridization that is refers. Okay, this hybridization refers to mixing of valence orbitals. So this refers with, or this refers to mixing. Okay, so this you have to remember, mixing of वैलेंस ऑर्बिटल, मिक्सिंग ऑफ वैलेंस ऑर्बिटल. अभी जस्ट देखा हम लोगों ने इन केस ऑफ CH4, ओके, इन केस ऑफ CH4, इन केस ऑफ BeF2, ओके, हम लोगों ने एग्जांपल देखा हाउ देयर इज अ मिक्सिंग ऑफ वैलेंस ऑर्बिटल. ओके, दैट टेक्स प्लेस. ओके, डिफरेंट ऑर्बिटल्स जो है S PX PY PZ, okay, that how these are getting overlap, okay, how these are getting overlap with each other and they are forming the bond. Okay, bond. अभी जस्ट देखा हम लोगों ने एग्जांपल इन केस ऑफ दी, ये देखो कार्बन के लिए एग्जांपल. ओके, कार्बन के लिए एग्जांपल देखो, दिस इज 1s, बराबर, दिस इज 1s ऑर्बिटल, दिस इज 2s ऑर्बिटल, वन ओनली वन वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, एंड हियर इट इज, ये देखो, दिस इज सपोज px, दिस इज px, दिस इज py एंड दिस इज pz. तो ये देखो वन वैलेंस 2p ऑर्बिटल है. ओके, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. सो कार्बन में कितने हैं? 1 2 3 एंड 4 हाफ फील्ड ऑर्बिटल. अभी ये हाफ फील्ड ऑर्बिटल कौन सा है? वन, एक तो यस ऑर्बिटल है जो हाफ फील्ड है, और जो दूसरा है वो कौन सा है? एक 2px है, एक 2py है और एक 2pz है. ओके, ये किसके साथ मर्ज जाएगा? हाइड्रोजन के साथ सपोज मर्ज हो जाएगा. ओके, हाइड्रोजन के साथ मर्ज हो जाएगा. हाइड्रोजन में क्या है? 1s ऑर्बिटल में ओनली वन वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है, बराबर है ना? वन ऐसे कितने एटम्स रहेंगे? सपोज हाइड्रोजन के 4 एटम्स रहेंगे. ओके, तो ये क्या होगा? मर्ज हो जाएंगे. आप देख सकते हो मर्ज हो जाएंगे. ओके, so 1s orbital of hydrogen will get merged with 1s px py and pz like this. Okay, जो अभी हम लोगों ने थोड़ी देर पहले लिखा हुआ था. Okay, so this is called as the hybridization, refers to mixing of valence orbitals. Okay, this is refers to the mixing of the valence orbitals, refers to mixing of the valence orbitals. So of same atom. Okay, valence orbitals of the, suppose, same atom. Okay, चलो same atom ही हो रहे, same atom, same atom and same atom and recasting them into equal number of, and recasting them into equal number of new equivalent orbital. Okay, into equal number of new equivalent. Okay, so when we will take the example, you will understand this. Okay, equivalent orbitals. Okay, equivalent orbitals. So new orbitals will get created. So this refers to what? Mixing of valence orbitals. Okay, mixing हो जाएगा valence orbitals का of the same atom. Okay, same atom के लिए, and there will be recasting them into equal number of new equivalent orbitals, and that new orbitals is called as the hybrid orbital. Okay, उसको बोला जाता है hybrid orbitals बोला जाता है. Okay, how the formation of hybrid orbitals takes place? Okay, so that we will see. Okay, what are the steps that have to we are considering? Okay, considered in hybridization, that we will see. Okay, वो देखेंगे हम लोग. Just hold on. बहुत ही ज्यादा ब्लर दिखाई दे रहा है तो चलो. So hybridization. So steps considered in hybridization that we will see. Okay, so सिर्फ steps देखते हैं हम लोग which are considered in hybridization. Okay, बहुत ही ब्लर हो रहा है. So the steps considered in hybridization. So we see what are the steps considered in hybridization. What are the steps that are considered in a hybridization? So very first step considered in hybridization is to formation of excited state. Okay, so this is what the formation of excited state. So formation of excited state, this has to be considered. Okay, this is a formation of excited state. So this is very first parameter, and this is very first step for considering hybridization. What we will have to write down? We will have to write down the formation of excited state like wise. Okay, जैसे अभी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे दिखाया. Okay, तो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? One of the electron from s orbital is jumping into the next energy level. Okay, next energy level में वो jump कर रहा है. That is called as the writing its electronic configuration in an excited state. So formation of excited state is the very first parameter. So we have already seen the formation of excited state. So the paired electrons in a ground state and uncoupled, वो uncoupled हो जाता है and one electron is promoted to vacant orbital slightly higher energy. Okay, just now we have seen it. So now total number of half filled orbitals is equal to the valency of the element. Okay, valency of the element in a stable compound. Okay, example in case of BeF2. Okay, so valency of beryllium is 2. Okay, आप देख सकते हो. Okay, in case of beryllium, beryllium की valency क्या है? Valency 2. Okay, so बेरिलियम वैलेंसी इज 2 इन एक्साइट स्टेट इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम. चलो पहले लिख लेते हम लोग. यहाँ पे देखो 1s ऑर्बिटल. So 1s orbital, total 4 atomic number is there. Okay, so yes, 2s orbital and okay, चलो ऐसे दिखाते हैं. This is 2p orbital right now. So without any excited state it will look like this. Okay, without any excited it will look like this. But when in excited state one electron from this 2s orbital is uncoupled and promoted to 2p orbital. Okay, तो देखो ये ऐसे 2p orbital में promoted हो जाएगा and this way it will be the electronic configuration. Okay, in this way it will be the electronic configuration in the excited state. Okay, in case of the excited state, so one electron, okay, this is 2s and this is 2p orbital. So one electron will jump from 2s orbital and it will be promoted to the next. This is called as the formation of excited state. Okay, formation of the excited state. So in the excited state the one electron from 2s orbital is uncoupled. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या हो गया? अनकपल्ड हो गया. okay, remove हो गया यहाँ से, and it has jumped into next energy level. Okay, next energy level कौन सा है, that you can easily understand, 1s 2s 2s के बाद 2p आता है ऑर्बिटल. Okay, so 2p ऑर्बिटल में ही वो jump करेगा. So this is called as a very first step. Okay, second step is about the mixing and recasting. Okay, so second step is about mixing and recasting. Okay, mixing and recasting. Mixing and recasting is the second step. So mixing and recasting, in this step, the two s and p orbitals having slightly different energies mix with each other. Okay, अब ये देखो, suppose s orbital है और p orbital, ये दोनों mix हो जाएंगे, because hybridization का meaning है mixing of the valence orbitals. Already we have written. Okay, so there will be mixing and mixing of these orbitals having slight different energies mixed with each other, and redistribution of electron density and energy takes place. So this is very important. This is the mixing that will take, mixing of orbitals will take place. Okay, mixing of orbitals will take place. Mix हो जाएंगे, s and p orbitals will get mixed, and after mixing there will be a redistribution of electron density. So redistribution, this is very important. Redistribution of the इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी एंड एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रॉन की जो डेंसिटी है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन एनर्जी. ओके, there will be redistribution of electron density and electron energy will take place. Okay, so in this way the mixing and recasting, okay, is the second process, is the second step in case of hybridization. Okay, so energy takes place, and two new orbitals having exactly same shape and energy are formed. Okay, so after mixing and after redistribution, what will happen, two new orbitals, okay, two new orbitals will be formed, two new orbitals will be formed, and this formation of these two new orbitals will be formed, which are having same shape and energy. Okay, which will have same shape, which will have the same shape. Okay, these orbitals will have same shape and the energy. Okay, same shape and same energy will be formed. So these two new orbitals which will be formed after hybridization, after mixing these s and p orbitals and redistribution of this electron density and electron energy. Okay, due to which what will happen, they will have same shape. Okay, उनका जो shape रहेगा orbitals का वो same रहेगा, and इनकी जो energy रहेगी वो भी same energy. So these are steps. Okay, so these new orbitals arrange themselves in a space in such a way that there is a minimum repulsion. Okay, you know very well, for the formation of the covalent bond. Okay, for the formation of bond क्या होना चाहिए, that there must be minimum repulsion force. Maximum repulsion force रहेगा तो bond form नहीं होगा. Okay, so in this way there will be a minimum repulsion will be there. minimum repulsion force रहना चाहिए. Okay, और maximum stability रहनी चाहिए. Okay, maximum stability रहनी चाहिए. Already this point we have already considered. Okay, so minimum repulsion and maximum stability should be there. So between them, so during formation of sp hybrid orbitals, as in beryllium, two sp hybrid orbitals are 180 degrees. Okay, so in case of this beryllium BEF तो बोल सकते हो हम लोग. Okay, so s orbitals में जो एंगल रहेगा वो कितना रहेगा, 180 degree रहेगा. More about this clear concept. Okay, about sp3, sp2 and sp hybridization we are going to study, हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं. Okay, so this is about today's lecture, that we have studied about hybridization. Okay, what is the meaning of hybridization? Hybridization कैसे होता है, that to carry out the hybridization, these are the two steps. Okay, what is that? First, the formation of excited state will be there. Okay, formation of excited state. How formation of excited state? Okay, आप लोगों ने देखा है. Okay, we have taken example of beryllium, boron, carbon के लिए. How the formation of excited states takes place, where the one electron from this orbital jump into the next energy level, the next orbital. Okay, and the second step is the mixing and recast. So there is a mixing of s and p orbitals. Okay, s and p orbitals mixing will be there, and there will be redistribution of the electron density. Electron की जो density है वो redistribute हो जाएगी, and their energy also will get redistribute, एंड उसके कारण हो जाएगा न्यू ऑर्बिट फॉर्म होगी, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल। ओके, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल बोलते हैं। ओके, so these two new orbitals, okay, which will be called as I suppose hybrid orbital, which is of same shape and the same energy will be generated or will be created, and this is called as the hybridization. Okay, hybridization in that is the mixing of valence orbitals, okay, of a same atom and recasting them equal number of new equivalent orbitals. Okay, so more about their characteristics, okay, the types of hybridization, okay, and what are the conditions of the hybridization, okay, so that we will see tomorrow, okay, हम लोग कल देखेंगे। okay, बिल्कुल ही क्लियर नहीं है तो